Alfred. Taekwondo. I began Taekwondo 5 months before. Our Taekwondo institute is at the back gate of our school. I do Taekwondo exercises between 2 o'clock and 3 o'clock. Our Taekwondo class has 9 people, 4 girls and 5 boys. Everyone eagerly does exercises. The director is level 5 black belt. My belt is a blue belt. Taekwondo is interesting and marvelous.
Okay, let's go to happiness. Okay?
Happiness. I don't know about happiness. People want to be happy. I was happy receiving a prize every time. I was happy receiving prizes every time. I was happy getting praised from my mother. I was happy getting praised from my mother. I am happy at this time playing with my brother. I will be happy in the future to be a dentist. I will be happy in the future to be rich.
Very good. Good job.